Makaih.
Drop.
Aha! Seats! Painted. Dry. Make cool noises. Alright, so we're going to work on putting cushion in seat in here, and done. Right? No? Camera shake? No? Okay. No? Okay. No. We try. So we're gonna put that aside for a second, put this aside. There we go. Boom. Hopefully this goes fairly easy. Knock on wood. That's the bottom. This is the top. I haven't even looked at these yet, so we're kind of guessing as we go about this, but what seems logical to me is this goes in something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This is what we got to work with here. Oh, you stupid. Okay. Because it's old school, of course, they are not Phillips. They're flatheads. You know what's outdated? Flatheads. Flatheads are outdated. Probably the only one I have is twisted because that's how dumb. I guess I could use gross. Stand by one, everyone. Sometimes your tools get bent and you gotta fix them. Oh. Ow! That was dumb. Whatever, it'll work. Ow. Stupid.
Your words, not mine.
Okay. Yeah, does it look good? Does it look good? I think it looks good. Okay, I think what we're gonna do. We're gonna go like boom, right down like that. Let's try that. See what we get there. It's only a bunch of money if we screw this up. Nothing
Not as
special.
much as buying new seats.
Nothing special. Guess we better get it done right first time.
Gilly might kill you. Scratch his paint job.
I'm not worried about the paint job. Paint job's easy. That's my time. Seats, you gotta go and maybe. Oh! Okay, we're doing it by hand. Oh my gosh, can't even do it by hand. Yeah? OCD says that way. Okay. Boom.
Bold.
Oh. To go where no man. Isn't that what bold? There's something like some quote like that.
No.
Yeah, it's like something about the moon or something.
That doesn't mean anything about being bold.
It was pretty bold of them to go to the moon.
Yeah, but that has nothing. That quote doesn't have bold in it.
Does it not? Are you sure?
As far as I'm aware, it doesn't. And I'll do some fact checking and put it on the screen.
To boldly go where no one has gone before.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. Boom, they say. Boom.
Got nothing else to say? Just boom?
Boom. That's all I got for right this second.
Hmm.
There might be some owls later on. That's right. For all of you that know that inside joke. Just so you guys know, my wife is cussing at the computer or her phone screen right now. So, let you in on a little inside secret. When I do something and it turns out absolutely fabulous, even beyond my expectations and beliefs, I like twist my arm or I'm like, oh, ow, ow. It hurts to be this good. See, hence why the wife absolutely hates it. Love you, Cindy. So. You know what? We do thank you guys for being around. And if you like what you see or you want to support us some more, please go and hit that subscribe, the like, hit the little bell, and you'll get notifications on when we're getting up into our mischiefs. So we're working on it. We found some designs for some t-shirts and merch. So we'll keep you posted on it. They have not made it to the printers yet, but they are on their way. So we went with a little saying that we say a little bit around here. I'm not going to divulge. We'll show them to you when we get them. But yes, those are on the way. If you guys want one, hit us up. We might do like some kind of like subscriber giveaway or something like that, to where you can get some merch for yourself for free by comments. We haven't really decided yet how we're going to do it, but we're going to do it. So we're actually going to do a couple shirts, I think. We're going to do one that has some of our famous sayings, and then we're going to do one that's just kind of a good old 520 Speedworks homage. So if you guys don't know, or if you're not kind of familiar, I don't know if maybe some of you can already figure it out, but we're in Tucson, and the area code for Tucson is 520, so that's where 520 comes from. So yeah, Tucson's now home. Originally from the Texas area. Shout out to all my Katy, Texas peeps. So if you guys don't know where Katy, Texas is, it's kind of west suburbs of Houston. So we grew up out there until the Air Force brought us. Well, I was born in Arizona, but the Air Force brought us back out here a long time ago. And 17 months, 350 something days till I retire.
I thought it was 16.
16 months?
I thought you were 16 months out.
No, I wish. 17, just shy of 18, which is still too much. It's been fun, but I'm ready to get off this pony ride. Shout out to all my military peeps out there. Once again, really appreciate and thank you guys for what you do. Shout out to, man, we got like first responder friends. We got all kinds of friends. So shout out to all the first responders too, man. Without you guys keeping us safe, all that kind of good stuff.
We appreciate what you do.
We appreciate it. We love you. We do have, you guys have already probably heard some of the jokes. We do have a special love for firefighters. Story I think's been told already, but we did burn this house down once.
Come closer.
We come close a couple more times after that, but yeah, we actually caught it on fire one time and actually burned it to the ground. But thanks to the Northwest Fire Department for getting out here and kind of saving some of it, saving what they could.
I can see your OCD kicking in.
What are you talking about? Yes, all
the
my screw heads
go the same way.
Right. There's people out there. Those of you that are out there that are OCD like this, where all the screw heads need to be in the same, hit me up in the comments. Hit me in the comments. Make me feel like I'm not.
Hang on.
I thought you were going to do your little zoom in. You just said that's what you were going to do. Oh my goodness gracious. No, seriously, looking for a competent camera person, man or woman. Doesn't even matter. I'll take a robot at this point. Okay. So, anyways, yeah, looks good, doesn't it? Yep. Here we go. We're gonna move on to the next one.
What'd you do? Oof.
This one's got a little more wrinkles in it, but it'll.
No, the sun will help it.
From the Arizona sun, that'll.
Arizona, Texas.
That's the great equalizer. What do you think? Yeah? Yeah? Alright, well, cool. We'll be back in just, we're back. Time for the rear seats. These are going to be a little more fun because this is straight up custom. I don't know if we talked about it. This is a 51. This seat from a 51 that we're putting in a 46 just because this seat alone, if you went to go buy it, is like $300. Have we talked about this? Did we talk about this last time? I don't remember.
I think you guys.
We're talking about it again. And so that's why you guys saw us cut it into literally 15 pieces. Actually, I think it was like 10. So I won't over exaggerate like every other girl in my family does. I love you. Love you guys. Love you. But yeah. So we'll see. I don't know if we're going to have to add wood to the end.
Oh, because you don't know if it's going to get tight enough, do you?
I don't know if it's going to be tight enough. So. But we got to do the top anyway. So we're going to start up here at the top and then work our way. It's called the three finger spread right there. It's technical. It's patented. No, it's not.
Oh, you literally are just winging it.
Oh, we are winging this. We are winging this all day long. I don't know why I marked that because I really needed to mark
the metal.
The metal. Okay. Should bring us around the corner. Yep. All right. Cool. Can I just drill it with this one? Screw it. I really need to go buy some nice safety glasses. Kids, don't do this at home without safety glasses. It's not rigged stuff. It's not rigged stuff.
Oh no, here, gonna go live.
4 3/4.
Checking connection. I'm going live.
Okay. I'm ready. Oh, I'm so ready.
We are live.
Well, let me get my hair done. Well, hey, welcome. We don't know how this is working. We don't know how many of you guys are out there. But, okay, so we're just going to sit and wait. Maybe people will show up. Who knows? We'll find out. We get one person, I'll start talking to them.
We have one person.
We got one person, really? Hey, who is it?
Howrat.
Who?
Howrat.
Oh,
yeah.
Balbo! Hey,
Yeah.
Balbo!
Balbo.
I think that's Hellrat.
He said stuff. the struggle.
The struggle is real.
It is
The
real.
struggle is real. Oh, I can poke it. And maybe that'll scratch the paint.
Gilly, don't watch.
Oh, it worked. Worked like a champ. Don't scratch it, don't scratch it, don't scratch it. We need you guys to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, 520 Speedworks, go there now and subscribe.
No harm in trying, right? Ooh, ooh, does it fit?
Dun, da, da.
Da, da, da. I got 2 cameras. Yeah, okay.
All right, after struggling off camera for a little bit, we got this process down. Well, we know what we need to do now. Not real happy with the way they want this held on. They just want you to tie this on, tie it in a knot, and expect it to stay. I personally, with the way they were built, the string is kind of sewn here at the front, so it's not really gripping around the wood like we would like it to. So we're going to go back with my original plan, which I thought we were going to have to do in the first place. So now if you see, like as I pull this way, it gets tight everywhere but kind of up here. So we're just going to get it as tight as we can. Like that. And then we have stainless staples. So stainless, so it doesn't rust. It's crazy. Normal staples, you can get like 5,000 of them for $2.50. Stainless, $11 for 1,000 of them. So. Thank you. Are you done? Good? Okay. Can we carry on? Awesome. All right, guys. So that turned out absolutely amazing. So it's what you get for, it looks like something that would kind of come out of 1946. I like it. I actually think it's better than the little silly little string. Should I? Loud noises.
millimeter, there's a staple.
Ready?
Looks good.
Here you go, guys. Let's go stick it in the, we gotta do some stuff on the back, but let's go stick it in the Jeep.
Yeah.
Khalil. The seats are finally done.
No, they're not. They have to be bolted in.
Covering the seats are finally done.
There you go.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like what you see, hey, subscribe down below. Give us that like button. You can also follow us on Instagram. Make sure that you have your post notifications turned on so you can catch up on when we post something new. With that, have a good time and ride on.